everyone, how are you? I have a sexy snow leopard nail design tutorial for you. Everything will be listed down below. I did have the whole hand recorded, and because of the wrong settings, I'm unable to edit it. So I'm going back in with just one nail to share with you what I did. And on top of that, I deleted my repair for my broken nail. So I really wanted to show you guys how I fixed my broken nail. I'll show you how I did my nails when my index finger is ready for a fill. So I'm gonna wait till all the other nails are ready. So here I went in with Solitaire by OPI, and it has beautiful glitter, silver glitter in it, like a smaller glitters and one size up glitters. And you don't have to go all the way to the tip. I will paint it black, but it's so pretty. I wanted to show you on camera what it looks like. I'm taking a half a strip of washi tape. This will help me with a cleaner edge. Now if you need a perfectly clean edge, then I don't know if washi tape would be a good... I mean, if you can get a longer strip so you can connect the edges at the bottom so they'll stay, because it always pops up on me. I like using it because it's prettier than masking tape, but oh well. So, but the edges don't have to be clean here because they're gonna have leopard prints all over it, so that will obscure the lines. Now I'm going over it with Seche Vite to protect the polish, and I smudged the black polish. I'm gonna go in with my cleanup brush and kind of fix it. It was working, and I ended up pulling off some polish. That's okay, I go back over it with just a little bit. I'll show you here in a second. Really was hoping to pick all the streaks off without. Now make sure, make sure all the excess is off. Just want a real tiny bit to just barely cover up. I'm looking at my nail now and it looks beautiful. So I'm going to go in with my plate now, Bombshell Baby BMXL 359. See, first I was thinking I was going to go over it with the black is what I meant to do, but I realized that we're going to go over the tip here. Came out really beautiful. So this part is why I have those pens, the nail art pens. You can go in over it. That one turned out pretty good, quite surprisingly, so I wasn't going to be too picky about it. I will end up going over with the black. I do show you how I go over that. The black leopard prints that may have not stamped as well, and I really like those pens for that. So here it's almost fully, but those edges always. And I have these pens that have been laying around for years. I'm not joking. I've had these fine art pens for like 2 years and I don't use them. So now I found them to be quite useful here. I just can kind of repeat the pattern, go over some of the pattern like so. On my thumb, I had brushed glitter over the white polish. So if you see it like sparkling with green glitters, that's why. But that's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you just polish your nail, dust some glitter, and then stamp it, and then top coat it. So I really want to show you the gradient-like effect. And then I'm going to go over the entire nail with Northern Lights. It is a beautiful combination. I hope you guys can see the little sparkles. There we go. I think that is a lot better. So you can kind of see up close where I messed up, but there's a lot going on to kind of distract your eyes. I want to show you that's the one stamp over, and that's all white. There's the whipped frosting, and it's a very subtle difference, but it's enough to give a beautiful ombre like gradation, not only from just the nail itself, but from one nail to the next. There's like the darker white, shimmery white, and then the lighter white. It's all really nice. And this is Flirt City. I'm telling you, Flirt City. These are not for someone who wants to shy away from things. These are some eye-catching nails. Let me tell you, I've worn these for my first day of nail school, so I'm wanting to give you a short announcement. And I like them. They look fantastic, sharp, and put together, as well as sleek. Have a wonderful week, you guys. Until next time, bye-bye.